Okay, I'm editing this video right now, and right before it starts, I just realized that I totally forgot to say thank you so much to 16 Motorsports and ValixRacing.com for sponsoring this episode. You're going to see that this product is a fantastic product, and if you guys are interested in picking up anything, these coilovers or like anything Honda parts related, please check the link in the description, ValixRacing.com, and use coupon code BOOSTED5 for 5% off your entire order. They always tell me when you guys make purchases, so supporting them supports me. Thank you guys very much, and enjoy the video. Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. This is going to be my first impressions and unboxing of the PIC. These are the PIC for power and control, like street coilovers. They have adjustable damping. Damping or dampening? I think it's damping, isn't it?
I think it's dampening.
Really?
Yeah, because you dampen, you don't damp.
No, I think it's damping.
No way.
Google it. These have adjustable damping on all four corners, which is super awesome. I've always wanted a coilover that could do this. But anyway, like I said, this is my super unprofessional unboxing and overview. So let's just open them right up. I have been dying to open these. Retail, these are like a $1,200 coilover, and I've been waiting all night and pretty much all day the next day to open these. So I'm extremely excited.
So they're dampers.
Ooh, so is it damping?
I don't know.
Or dampening? Now my camera battery is about to die, so I'm just gonna take one out of the box and take a look at it. I'm not even gonna show you up close right now, but once I get home, I will charge up the camera and I'll give you guys a closer look and overview and stuff like that. Ready, Caleb?
Oh, they got individual boxes, that's pretty cool. Oh, and they're white and gray. Those look quality.
They actually do. Look at how meaty these forks are.
Nice. I mean, like when I upgraded from like the eBay coils to like the Fortunato coils I have in my car, such a big difference between cheap coils and just like
where do you notice it? What difference do you notice the most in it?
Just the ride quality. I have a stiffer spring weight and it's so much softer and more comfortable.
Okay, gotcha. That's kind of what I was thinking, but I haven't, except for driving in your cars, I haven't really experienced like a nice coilover before. I've always had like $500 coilovers.
Yeah, you're on the wrong one. They just don't. Those will ride much better, they'll handle better, like everything. And the damping is more noticeable too. When
I was looking at coilovers, one of the things I was focusing on was the locking rings, because I know that once these are on and set for a while, they get stuck, you know?
Please either do anti-seize or tape. Because, yeah.
Like Teflon tape?
Electrical tape. You can electrical tape it.
Tape the threads and then screw it.
No, like, so if you're setting it here, you can use electrical tape.
Oh,
I've
so
seen some like people in
corroded?
Japan do that. I think anti-seize would be better if you actually get the anti-seize like in the threads.
Gotcha. Damn, these are pretty sick actually. Pretty hyped on these. Thank you.
Give a round of applause to John, yeah?
Yeah. I've come a long way, dude, from eBay turbos.
Except you're still using an eBay turbo.
You can touch it.
Ooh.
Did I get a sticker or something?
This is like the finish of the metal. It's not like painted. I don't know how they do that.
I feel like it might be powder coated. Or like
that is not
Cerakoted? Cerakote?
It might be like a zinc coating or something like that.
Is this quick when you turn it?
Dude, the eBay coils I had to take a pry bar to get it to turn, and then it just broke.
Oh, no.
Literally, right when I got them out of the box. Dude. So the dampening never worked. Ooh,
I've never done that before. I've never turned like the D word control. I've always wanted to. Yeah, you always have like cheaper coilovers, and then you see the ones that have the adjustable, and you're just like, I just wanted to turn it.
Well, even like cheap coilovers with adjustable, there's not much feedback to the button, you know? Like it kind of like. It's like
so that's
like
a
nice.
good.
Shh. Oh damn it!
Dude, the wall creaked.
A little bit of what do you call it?
ASMR.
ASMR. Coilover ASMR.
Yeah.
I hope you can hear that actually. It's got like a.
Do it next to your ear.
It's nice. I feel like you're pushing a button.
It kind of does.
Yeah.
It's like pushing a button.
It's up sideways.
Alright guys, so I'm finally home and I can finally unbox these coilovers completely and check out everything in the box and give you guys the specs and the overview. Let's see one of the fronts. I'm really hoping that these come with the wrenches for adjusting coilovers. They should. I think almost all coilovers do. This is obviously a front. Okay. Oy. Yeah, dude, they're so nice. It's ridiculous. Like even like the sleeves and like the threads sound so good. Oh, sweet. Here are the wrenches. They look pretty standard. It seems like the preload is already set on these coilovers. There's plenty of tension on the spring already. So I'm definitely not gonna be using these wrenches to check preload at all or adjust preload. That's gonna stay exactly how it is. But obviously I will tweak the ride height a little bit to make it perfect. Yeah, so that looks fantastic. I think that should be it. It should just be one more coilover in here. And it should just be the other front. And you know what? I'm just going to take them out of the boxes. I'm going to take all 4 out because I'm going to be installing them in the next couple days, actually. I'm pretty excited. You guys are seeing this video, and a little bit off camera is all the rest of the suspension components for the Civic. And I'm currently filming that video as well, so that'll go up really soon. I just wanted to get a nice Sunday upload for you guys. It's something to watch over the weekend. And since I splurged so much on these coilovers, I felt like I had to dedicate an entire video to them. Also, another cool thing, like I said, these are in-house 1/6 coilovers. They've teamed up with Power Control and made these happen. It's really cool to be repping my sponsor's brand on my car. I won't know how they feel on the car until I drive it for the first time, but I can assure you, just based on build quality and fit and finish, these look so much nicer, like leagues ahead of the $500 coilovers that I have on the EK right now. Now that these are all out of the box, let's talk specs. Okay, so these mounts on the bottom end here and also up top hat. This is 6061 aluminum, this is extremely lightweight and a very durable material. I don't know much about metal, so I'm not gonna sit here and preach to you guys like I do. I know they wouldn't use it if it wasn't quality, so this is awesome stuff. Also, as you'll notice, the entire body of the shock is threaded all the way up, even underneath the spring. So that means that you could, if you wanted to, set your preload extremely high, like stupid high preload, and then just absolutely dump your car to the ground if you wanted to. Also, these shock bodies are made of Japanese steel and it's been heat treated. Supposedly it's very good for corrosion resistance, which is a huge thing with coilovers. If you guys have ever had coilovers before, you'll know that once these locking collars and the threads kind of get a little gunked up from corrosion and just driving, and especially if you live in an area with salt on the roads, these collars can get stuck. Hopefully that won't be much of an issue with these. I don't actually know what this next one means. It is noted in the description of this product on valixracing.com. So I'm gonna tell you guys, I don't actually know what it means, unfortunately. If anyone can educate me in the comments, I'd really appreciate it. These have heat and chemical resistant Viton seals, which supposedly are better than standard seals. Again, please let me know what that means. These have single grade high viscosity index shock oil, which is supposed to be really good at resisting viscosity change during high stress use. So if you're driving on the track, you're not gonna change the viscosity of the oil if you're beating on the car all day. Almost done here. These springs are shot peened, pre-treated, and also they are made of Japanese steel. And lastly, they're epoxy coated for durability. If you guys wanna read any of this information for yourself, like I said, link will be in the description to this product on valixracing.com. It's all right on their website. And another really important thing that you guys are probably wondering is, what are the spring rates? The spring rate of the front springs is 12K and the spring rate of the rear is 14K. I am beyond excited to install these in the car and take them out and test them out and drive them around and see how they are. I'm super excited, but I am still a ways away with my build from being able to do that. So that's really all I have to say. Like I said, I just wanted to unbox them and give you guys an overview of what this product looks like and what you can expect when you buy this product. These coilovers are high performance coilovers made by people who know Hondas like the back of their hand. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope that you'll consider these for your next set of coilovers. I hope I like them. If you have any questions, comments, anything like that, please leave them in the comments down below. And as I always say, boys, remember to plan, commit, execute, and attain your goals. Bye.